Alright, language explorers, let's look at this Saturday's phrasal verb. So, keep around. Keep around. Yeah, to continue having something. To still have something. To still have something, yes. Yeah. I like to keep it around here. It is nice and decorative. Yeah. I will keep that around there. It's safer here. It is safer there. I always keep it around here. I always keep some books around here. Yeah. I always keep some books around here. Some books around here. Yeah, for reading. A lot to read. Yeah. They think you should keep it around you. Yeah, I always keep it near me. Keep it around me. Keep it near me. I always keep some spare tools around me. How cool is that? Yeah, very good. Yeah. Yeah. There are always some new ideas, plans, ideas to keep around here, just in case. Spare idea, spare option, just in case for escape or an emergency. It is kept around that. Yeah. The cables are kept around the around the hook. We leave the coats. We keep the coats around here. We keep spare coats around here. Yeah, she's always keeping a makeup bag around with her. Yeah. I always keep some cables around here. Yeah, for charging the laptop, or when other things get low on battery. I always keep some cables around here for when I need them. I keep some charging cables around here for when I need them. How cool is that? In the future, you should keep the tools around you. Keep them near you. Can you keep the tools around you? Yeah, I keep them around here somewhere. I keep them around here somewhere. I'm not sure where. Yeah. What do we need to keep around here? The tools, cables, coats, pens perhaps? Pens? Yeah. How cool is that? So she is going to keep the books around her. Around her, yeah. Keep them close. Keep them close. For when she needs them. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, how cool is that? Now, can you use keep around in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram when you search for English with Adrian. And you can also find me on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.